get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, but I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, just I want it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get started. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one that get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. So I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop me. Nauseous, cause I will not quit. Not because I want this. Don't try to stop me. An option. So nauseous. You're watching. Don't try to stop me. Searching, find your true passion and get to work and better take action or you end up serving.